Hello, my name is Raquel Sanchez, and after a careful evaluation of the video, one of the challenges that she mentioned was telecommuting, which is working from home. I decided to pick this challenge because I feel like that's the one that I'm most familiar with. I actually work from home now with my company. Before, the company we used to have to go into the office, all of the accounting department, all of, human resources. And after, making sure that we organized ourselves, we decided to start working remotely. This has made it a lot easier for everybody in their daily life, and I feel like it makes work a lot more efficient. So, for example, in the beginning, it was very hard, as she mentioned, that there is like a misconnection with the people and all the information, and some information gets lost. What I would feel is the best way in order to organize a company that makes people work remotely is by having either HubSpot or CRM. These are programs that help really organize everything because it's pretty much like a really big network that has all of the employees from that department in that specific network. So, for example, in the accounting department, we all work with the same CRM and with the same HubSpot. So what CRM does is that we all have all of our documents, and everyone has their own folder, and we can check each other's folder, and we could see like, oh, who's checking our folder, who's inputting in that data. I feel like it makes things a lot easier because we're all connected. The problem with that information system is that it does take a lot of training, and everyone needs to be on board, making sure that they're doing their job correctly. Same thing with HubSpot. HubSpot is kind of lets you know, like finishing a project. So how we use it for accounting is that we have a project payment that needs to be made. So the first person that's in accounting sends out a reminder to the person. There's somebody else here that's going to follow up with that reminder. Someone's going to receive that check, and then someone's going to input it in the system. And as the check and like the payment is going through all of those steps, it starts checking up in HubSpot. So you can log in to, HubSpot, see the specific project, see the specific invoice, and see where it is in the process. If someone has already followed up, if someone has even sent, the first, hey, I need a payment, I feel like that's the easiest way. That's how we personally got organized. Another thing that would be really well to fight this challenge is also meetings. So I know there's a lot of remote work locations that do meetings, in person, but we strictly do everything online. So we have Zoom meetings, and what we do is that every week we meet up at the same time, our computers, and we all join in the meeting, and we all, talk about what's going on. We'll make sure that everything's in schedule, that all the projects are up to date payment-wise. Then we start seeing what projects need what money, what contractors are owing us. We also see what new projects are coming in and how we're going to handle those effectively. We also have checklists. So as we're doing our work and as we're inputting invoices, we have checklists making sure that we attached the invoice, the cost estimates are in there for the project, there is the contact information, the client information, all the project information is there. So I feel like the best way to make sure that everybody is connected and to make sure that everybody understands what's going on when you're working remotely is to have a system like HubSpot, like CRM, like Zoom meeting in order to stay connected and talk about everything and making sure that everyone's on the same page and there's no miscommunication. That's pretty much it.